Once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like so. And here you go, the car started. Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing MyKey Premium remote start. I'm going to be working on 2016 Hyundai Tucson. It is also suitable for 2016 through 2021 models. This product is 100% plug and play. You don't have to cut any wires, and it doesn't require any programming. So basically you just plug it in and you're good to go. This product was designed for the regular key start. So if you have a push button start system in your car, then we have another product for you. But for this installation, I'm going to be showing you how to install it for the regular traditional key start. And in case you wonder where to order it, I'll drop the link down below for you. Now, let's get started. You're going to get two sets of wires and a module. And for this specific model, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. Every single one of them is up. So for this part, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a tool removal. Now we're going to pull this seal off. Just like that. And now we're going to take this panel out. We're going to use a trim removal for this. Just like that. Put it in and twist it. Just like so. You could use a regular screwdriver, just I don't want you to scratch anything. That's why I'm using a plastic trim removal. Now we're gonna unscrew these two screws. And we'll have a third one, and the third one is all the way over here. Now we're gonna pop this panel out. Start from one side, just like that, and then one on the side, on the other side. Just like so. You could leave it hanging over here, totally fine. Now we're going to be taking this panel and this panel out. Bring the wheel closer to you and lower it. And you will have some space in here with your fingers. You could pop that panel out, the top panel. Just like so. And now we're going to be unscrewing 3 screws. One here, one over here, and one right over here. The first one, you're going to turn the wheel on one side. Now the 3 screws are out, we're going to pull this panel down. Grab it from 2 sides. Bring this thing bottom. There you go, put it aside. Now we're going to disconnect this blue connector. All you have to do is press the pin and pull it out. Now we're going to connect it to the MyKey T harness. And then the other one back into this car's plug. Make sure it's all the way in and make sure it clicks. So now you have this connector hanging around. All we're gonna do is we're gonna run it through this metal frame. just like that. And we're gonna run this connector all the way to the other side of the car. So for that, we're gonna remove this panel. Just grab it from the top right and pull it down. Now we'll have this connector on the other side. Now we're gonna be taking this panel out. To do so, all we have to do is press this pin from inside on all three of them and pull it down. You could support it with your right hand. Same thing here. And then the last one. Just like that. And all we're doing is with pressing the pin from inside, squeezing them and pulling it down. So now we're going to be unplugging two connectors, a black one and a brown one, and they're located over here. So now this is the black one. All we do is just press this pin, wiggle it around and pull it down. The same thing for the gray one. Press the pin, wiggle it around and pull it down. So now we're going to be connecting MyKey Premium T harness. So first one, we're going to connect the black one, and the black one is going to go with the brown one. Just like that. Make sure it's all the way in and make sure it clicks. The other side of the brown one, we're going to connect it back into the car's module. Just like that. Make sure it's all the way in and it clicks. Now let's do the gray one. The same procedure. Just like that. Now we have this wire and we're going to be connecting it to my key module. But before we do that, we have to run the wire all the way from the key ignition area. So for that, we have the wires right behind here. We're going to pull this panel out, just like so, and we have this wire ready for us on this side. Now this is a power cable that will connect last. First, we're connecting the data connector, just like so, and the power goes last always. Now you're good to go. But before you put everything back together, make sure you test it first, make sure it works as it should, and we have enough space over here to put the module inside of it. We're going to hide this harness behind this carpet, just like that. Take your time with it, make it look nice and neat, and just follow this video to put everything back together. Once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like so. And here you go, the car started. Once you're inside the car is still running. You won't be able to shift gears until you put the keys into the ignition. Press the brake, switch gears, and you're good to go. Guys, also quick note, for your AC and heater unit, the whatever presettings that you had before you left your car, so when you remote start your car, this is the same settings that will be on. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video helps. Please leave a comment down below if you use this video to help you to install this remote start kit on your Tucson. Thanks again. Take care.